I'm going to make a tabletop that you can use for any table you want to, even in smaller sizes. So I make my tabletop from wood pieces that I glue together, and these are quite thick wood pieces, so you can use something thinner if you want the tabletop to be a lot thinner than this is gonna be. While the glue is drying, I'm going to make small gems with my UV resin, and you can make these just like you want to. After my glue has dried, I'm going to draw the size and the shape of my tabletop. Then I'm going to cut it out and sand it so that I like it. I place my UV gems just like I want them, and when I'm happy, I'm going to glue them down. I make 5D pictures here and there, and I have some gems from that left, and I'm going to use a few of them in this tabletop. Then I have some silver metal foil, and I'm going to use some of that with my glue and decorate this tabletop a little more. Then I have this tape for resin, and I'm going to put that all around the tabletop to make sure nothing will slide under it. So I'm pushing it really nice and tight to the table. Then I mix my epoxy resin 1:1 and I pour it into this. I make sure it is all out to the edges and that it covers all the stones. I have this cool foil that I'm going to cut in stripes and that I'm placing where I want it in this resin. You can really do the decoration just like you want to. When you're happy with your decoration, let it harden for a day or two before you unwrap this. I used a power tool to sand it really nice and good, and now I'm using some UV resin to give it a nice shine, so I'm putting it on here with a tiny brush. That's all there is to make this cool tabletop. I'm not going to show you how to make the legs, that's all up to you, but this can be used for so many things. I hope you liked it, and happy crafting!